How well do you know this? Try this one. 20 questions, how much do you remember? What were Mūsā alayhi salam and his brother Harun alayhi salam commanded to do with the houses they built for their people in Firʿawn's town? A. Storing grain and provisions. B. Living in them and praying therein. C. Defending against Firʿawn's army. D. Teaching the laws of God. The correct answer is living in them and praying therein. What fate befell those who rejected Nuh alayhi salam's message and called God's revelations lies, while Nuh alayhi salam and his followers were saved in the ark? A. They were drowned. B. They were struck by lightning. C. They were turned to stone. D. They were exiled from their land. The correct answer is they were drowned. Welcome to Questra. Today's quiz is Surah Yunus, Chapter 10, Ayahs 61-90, Part 1. Get ready for 20 questions. Let's see how well you know this topic. Nuh alayhi salam told his people that if they turned away from his preaching, it would not harm him, and that his reward would come from God, who commanded him to become a Muslim. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is true. What did Mūsā alayhi salam declare the magician's performance to be after they cast their ropes and staffs before him? A. Magic that God would prove false. B. A miracle worthy of respect. C. A trick of the Firዖn's design. D. An illusion that would fade on its own. The correct answer is magic that God would prove false. When divine truth was brought to the people of Pharaoh's time, what did they dismissively call it? A. Magic. B. Deception. C. Blasphemy. D. Heresy. The correct answer is magic. What did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala command Mūsā alayhi salam and his brother Harun alayhi salam to build for their people in Firዖwn's town? A. Mosques facing each other. B. Houses facing each other. C. Stores and marketplaces. D. Palaces and fortresses. The correct answer is houses facing each other. What is the smallest measure mentioned as not being hidden from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Is knowledge in the heavens or the earth? A. An atom's weight. B. A grain of sand. C. A mustard seed. D. A drop of water. The correct answer is an atom's weight. God will make the truth stand supreme by his words, even though the wicked people welcome it. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is false. What fate befell Nuh alayhi salam's people after they rejected God's revelations? A. They were exiled from their homeland. B. They were turned into stone. C. They were drowned. D. They were struck by lightning. The correct answer is they were drowned. When Mūsā alayhi salam challenged those who called the truth magic, he declared that magicians will certainly have happiness in the end. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is false. What does the prayer, in Surah Yunus, alayhi salam, asked God to use as the means of saving believers from the disbelieving people? A. His mercy. B. His wrath. C. His power. D. His wisdom. The correct answer is His mercy. In the Quran, Mūsā, alayhi salam, prayed for God to destroy Firʿawn's wealth and harden his heart in disbelief so that he would suffer painful torment. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is true. How are the people of Firʿawn described when Mūsā, alayhi salam, and Hārūn, alayhi salam, were sent to them with miracles? A. They were arrogant and wicked. B. They were humble and righteous. C. They were grateful but confused. D. They were neutral observers. The correct answer is they were arrogant and wicked. When Firʿawn demolished the masjids built by the followers of Mūsā, alayhi salam, God commanded Mūsā, alayhi salam, and his brother to build houses for their people facing one another so they could pray within them. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is true. Mūsā, alayhi salam, told his people that if they had submitted to God and had faith in him, they should put their trust in him. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is true. Who did Ali ibn Abi Talib, alayhi salam, identify as the awliya Allah, subhanahu wa ta'ala, the friends of God? A. The 12 holy imams, and those who sincerely follow them. B. Only the companions of the Prophet who fought in major battles. C. All Muslims who perform the 5 daily prayers. D. The scholars and jurists of each generation. The correct answer is the 12 holy imams and those who sincerely follow them. When Mūsā, alayhi salam, and Hārūn, alayhi salam, were sent with God's miracles to Firʿawn and his people, the people responded with humility and acceptance. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is false. What 2 purposes did God assign to the night and the day for human benefit? A. Rest and work. B. Night for rest and day filled with light. C. Darkness and brightness. D. Sleep and wakefulness. The correct answer is night for rest and day filled with light. According to Ali ibn Abi Talib, alayhi salam, the 12 holy imams are among the awliya Allah, subhanahu wa ta'ala, the friends of God. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is true. Who summoned every skillful magician to his presence to confront Mūsā, alayhi salam? A. Mūsā. B. The magicians themselves. C. Firʿawn. D. The people. The correct answer is Firʿawn. That's all for this quiz. How many did you get right from Surah Yunus chapter 10, Ayahs 6190, part 1? Drop your score in the comments below and follow Questra for a new trivia challenge every day.